This is Sabir Chwala with Century 21 Innovative Realty Inc. I want to talk to you about the Toronto market and the forecast for the year 2021. There's been a lot of talks out there, and a lot of people are saying, "Hey, the market may drop." And where is market going towards? But you know what? Today I want to share something with you. I'm not a fortune teller. I don't have a crystal ball, but I want to share something with you. And I'm a person. I look at market data, and I believe numbers speak louder than words. And that's what I want to share with you and show you some of the things and the trends that is going to go towards how this market is going to look. So let's dive in over here. Let me show you some of the things that to expect for the year 2021. So here it is, forecast for real estate market in 2021. The federal government has said immigration target is set at 400,000 for the next 3 years. That's correct. It's going to be a lot of immigrants coming in. Immigration is going to start opening up. During this pandemic that we've had, immigration has certainly slowed down. But now what we're going to do is, hopefully with this pandemic, with the vaccine, we're going to see the rise of immigration. So approximately 400,000 people will be coming in the next 3 years. What does that mean? Approximately 1.2 million immigrants in the next 36 months. That's correct. 1.2 million immigrants coming in the next 36 months. And of those 1.2 million immigrants in the next 36 months, approximately 34% will be coming right here in Toronto and the surrounding area, folks. This holds well for the Toronto regional real estate market because a lot of folks will be coming in again. Immigration will start. And because of that immigration, we're going to see an upward pressure again with a lot of new immigrants coming in, a lot of buyers coming into the market. We're also going to see the rental market taking off again. Students have stopped coming in during this pandemic time, during this difficult time that we're going through. But with all that happening, we're going to start seeing immigrations will certainly push things up. So the target for the next 3 years is approximately 1.2 million people coming into here in the Canadian region. What else? Housing supply will put an upward pressure on price for 2021. We've already seen that in the year 2020. Listings have been down. And because of listings being down, we've seen the price of pressure going up. We've seen multiple offers on bids pretty much everywhere, and not just the greater Toronto area, but the surrounding area also. And because of housing supply, we're going to see an upward pressure on price leading into 2021. Well, interest rates will remain low. Bank of Canada already made announcements that they will not see interest rates going up until 2022. So 2020, we've seen interest rate low. Well, going into 21, we'll also see interest rate low. So that means all those that are holding back and thinking that, hey, is it a great time to buy? Absolutely, because of low interest rate. It is historical low interest rates that we've seen, and this will continue going into 2021. Property taxes will stay the same for 2021. That's correct. A lot of municipalities have already made an announcement that property taxes will not be increasing in 2021, which holds well for affordability. This is great, for affordability, to make sure that we're all in check. So property taxes will remain the same in 2021 as they were for the year 2020. What else? Well, one of the biggest things is incentives will continue. The federal government just made changes to the incentive. So there's a lot more incentives for first-time home buyers, those that are sitting on the sideline and continue to rent and say, hey, I'm going to wait. Well, guess what? There's a lot more incentives for first-time home buyers, and the program has even ramped up with a lot more opportunities. So if you're renting, this is a great opportunity to consider and say, hey, maybe I should get into home ownership. If you want more information, please reach out to myself and I can help you provide more information on this first-time home buyer incentives that the federal government has had. What else I want to share with you, folks? I want to share some numbers with you. The slide that you see is the average selling price for Toronto for the last 10 years. Ladies and gentlemen, the average selling price in 2008 was $379,000. Fast forward to 2019, the average selling price was at $851,000. And now in 2020, today in November 2020, the average selling price is at 958,000. So as you can see, real estate has always appreciated over time. Real estate has always done very well over the last 10 years. These are some of the numbers that I just like to share with you. The sales of the Toronto real estate market for October. Sales were up by 25%. November, sales were up by 24%. So these show you that numbers are continue. Sales have been up, and also the average selling price. The last slide I want to share with you is the average selling price for the last 25 years. As you can see, we've had a number of recessions. We've had a number of downturn in the economy. However, the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board and the average selling price has always continued to move forward. That's why I believe real estate will continue. Remember, real estate is something that is always looked at as a trajectory on a long-term scale. So if you're looking to get into the market, if you're renting, this is a great opportunity. And if you're looking at investing, well, you know what? There's also a great opportunity because interest rates are low. Mortgage rates are very, very low. And this particular chart shows you the average selling price is very low. So folks, that's what I want to share with you and say, hey, the only thing that I see right now for the year 2021 is average selling prices going up, and you'll see sales continue. If you want more details and further information, you can reach out to myself. This is Sabir Chawala with Century 21 Real Estate. Thank you very much, and have yourself a pleasant day.